Welcome everyone to HueFin. Today is July the 31st, 2020, and this is our update for Cardano paired against the USD on the Binance exchange. Now, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate our content and how simplistic our voice is, how simplistic our jargon is relating to price forecasts and predictions. Make sure you continue to support our channel by liking the video, sharing the video, and then subscribing to our channel. Now, the next thing that you will want to do is to come on over to our website at HueFinancial.com, join, become a member, and you have access to all of our other predictions and forecasts within the cryptocurrency space, stock market, or any other newsworthy information that we feel our members should know about. So make sure you guys continue to go ahead and do that as well. So now we're going to talk about Cardano. Last time we did our video for Cardano was on the 28th, and a lot of people were looking at the market in Cardano to shoot up a lot higher due to the Shelley hard fork that was to occur, and that has gone and passed, and the market literally is still maintaining the price range that it had from the last 2 or 3 days. So now the question that you need to ask yourself is, well, can the market in Cardano continue to move higher in price? The simple answer is yes. Why? Because the market in Cardano is still trading above this ascending line. It's simple. So don't let nobody else try to throw you off your square, because the market is still trading above this ascending line. Now, on our last video, we were expecting the market in Cardano to go to the downside just a little bit. And maybe about 2 days, a day and a half after we released that video, the market in Cardano shot higher in price, and it still found restriction right here around 15 cents. So this is your next thing. The market will not be moving higher in Cardano until it breaks above 15 cents, period. So can the market move higher in Cardano? Yes. Why? Because it's still trading above that line, the ascending line. Can the market move higher in Cardano? Well, no, if it's not able to break above 15 cents. So that is the conundrum that the market is dealing with currently as of this recording. Those two areas will be the battleground between the market trapper and everyone else in the space. So literally expect this type of price action to continue in Cardano. Literally seeing it trade in this range. So let me show you. We have found the forecast area in the market for Cardano, which is right here. Now we are in our forecast looking a little bit lower than that forecast area that we have just drawn, and it goes like that. We're human. Okay, so understand that. But this is the forecast area for the market in Cardano. Now let's take a look at Cardano on an hourly time frame real quick, and you guys can tell that the market is here or there. I mean, it's not eye-popping and showing us, man, yes, the market is weak, or it's not showing us the market is strong. It's neither. It's just stagnant. It's just trading sideways. And opportunities like this gives everyone the opportunity to reevaluate their own particular strategy and their own plan before the next major move occurs in this currency. So you all need to do that in your own particular situation. All right. Looking at Cardano on the 3-hour chart. And again, I really don't see a lot going on into the market in Cardano to substantiate, the market giving us a lot of weakness. So based off what we did in our forecast last, we might want to just go ahead and take this off as a loss and just go ahead and expect the market in Cardano to trade sideways. We have 2 days and 4 hours left before the market ends in Cardano, and we're already seeing about the same amount of volume from what we saw the last 2 weeks, and the spread is a lot smaller than what occurred last week. So that 15 cent area, I'm telling you now, is real weak. I mean, it's real strong. The market in Cardano at 15 cents is real strong. It is holding back the market from breaking up above that level, plain and simple. All right. So what we're going to do into the market in Cardano, we're going to continue to keep our forecast here though, because when I look at it on a daily basis, you remember on our last video I told you all that the volume was excruciating higher than what we've been accustomed to on the 25th, 26th, and the 27th. The market weakness is definitely still controlling this space right now. So I mean, I can increase the restriction area all the way up here around 15 cents and just encompass this whole area, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to keep it the same as what we talked about on July the 28th for Cardano. The weakness is still here. If the Shelley hard fork was going to be such a magnificent thing in this space, the market would have already reacted to that hard fork occurring. And I would beg to differ that the market has already anticipated that hard fork to occur all the way back here towards the ending of June and the beginning half of July. It has already priced that in. And that's why we're not seeing that excitement that so many people expected Cardano to do once this hard fork came to fruition and passed. So what else is in store to try to catapult the market for Cardano? Let us know with a comment in the comment section. But generally, looking at this price action over the last couple of days, the weakness is still here. We don't have a trigger here yet to substantiate that the market will continue to see a bigger move higher in price until price breaks above 15 cents. Until that point, we're going to trade sideways and increase the probability of Cardano moving lower, which is one reason why we're going to continue to have our forecast as a no change. Now, our TP on that last video that we did on the 28th was at 13 cents. Now, I left a comment on that video stating that the market may actually come down to around 13 and a half, and it did that today. The market came all the way down to 13 and a half cents today, but I'm going to continue to hold out the market for 13 cents for some support as our TP area, and anything lower than that would definitely insinuate that that trend that Cardano was in is now being broken. Okay, so I'm definitely expecting a market trapper to continue to test this area in Cardano over the next couple of days. Simple. So we're not going to mess with our forecast. We want to keep it the same until we see a lot more strength enter the space, and it's just not reflecting itself right now. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and then again, join us on our website, HueFinancial.com.